Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to turn off your Lexus IS 250 oil maintenance light. First, get into your car and turn the ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. Make sure your odometer reading is visible on the dashboard display. If it's not, press the ODO/trip button until it appears. This initial step is crucial for accessing the reset menu. We're setting the stage for a quick and easy reset process. Now let's perform the manual reset. Turn your ignition completely off. Then, press and hold the ODO/trip button. While still holding it down, turn the ignition back to the on position, but again, do not start the engine. You'll notice the maintenance light begin to flash, indicating it's entering the reset mode. Keep holding the button until the light stops flashing and turns off completely. This usually takes about 10 to 15 seconds. Once the maintenance light stops flashing and disappears, you can release the ODO/trip button. Now, go ahead and start your Lexus IS 250 engine. The oil maintenance light should remain off, confirming that the reset was successful. If the light reappears, don't worry, simply repeat the entire process from the beginning. Sometimes it takes a second attempt to register correctly, ensuring your dashboard is clear. If the light persists after a few attempts, double-check that your oil change was actually completed. A persistent light might indicate a different issue, so it's always good to ensure your vehicle's maintenance is up to date. Remember to consult your Lexus IS 250 owner's manual for any specific instructions or variations unique to your model. It's a valuable resource for all your car's needs. Also, for those looking to simplify their daily routine, check the description below for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Thanks for watching and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.